Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Microsoft To Do. To access Microsoft To Do, you can click on the 9 boxes and it should appear in your list of apps there. So you can see there's To Do. If it doesn't, if you click on the All Apps option, you can then view it and access it that way. So firstly, what is Microsoft To Do? Well, as the name suggests, it's a way of capturing all your to-do lists. It's available as both an Android and iOS app, and you can also add it to your desktop device as well. But I'm going to focus on using it within the browser. That's typically how I use it. Now you may be saying to me, well, wait a minute, isn't Planner a to-do list? Well, yes, they are very similar. And as you'll see, there's a way to view Planner tasks through To Do. But for me, I think Planner is the type of tool you use more collaboratively to organize tasks and work with teams and really enable a number of people to work together and managing and checking tasks and making progress and making sure there's no duplication. So for me, Planner is great, but it's more focused and more useful for those larger projects where you're managing groups of people doing various different tasks. But if you want to find out more about Microsoft Planner, then click on the banner in the top right hand corner now and you can watch my guide to using Microsoft Planner. So let's go back to Microsoft To Do. So the first thing to flag is the My Day feature. So that is as it suggests, a list that appears of the tasks that you've got prioritized for that day. And you can, at the start of the day, you can add stuff to My Day from the tasks that you've written from other lists. And so we carry on further down, we've got important, and they're tasks which have just been flagged with a spot. So you can so if we go into tasks, we can click on the task, and to make it important, we can just click on the star and that will appear there. So that's another way. In place of using My Day, you could just star the task that you want to prioritize. If we click on a task, we get additional windows, so we can add steps to a task. So if it's a multi-part task, we can add additional steps. As I mentioned already, we could add it to My Day. We can also set a reminder. We could add a due date, and you can either do today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a specific date. So let's say tomorrow. And a really useful feature is there's the repeat feature. So there's certain tasks you do at the same point every week or every month. You can set up a repeat task, either daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can customize it when you specify exactly what the interval is as to when you do those tasks. And you can then categorize it very much like Planner. You can add different colored categories and you can add attachments from your device as well. So that's it. And you can all do that, as I say, just by clicking on the task, having added it. It's very easy to add a task. Simply from the tasks home, you click add task. Can't type today. 1, 2, 3, just for the purposes of this, and you can click add. So that's how you can add tasks and some of the functionality related to those tasks. If you go to planned, that's going to show any task where you've added a due date. So if you've added a due date, it will show you those in the order in which the date is due. So you can see where a due date's been set, a deadline's been set, it will automatically lay those tasks out in order, which is a really useful feature. The Assign to Me function picks up any tasks that have been assigned to you, and this is where you can also view tasks that have been assigned to you in Planner as well, and that's really useful to be able to view tasks that are on Planner as part of projects and see them there. And if you look underneath the main title of the task, you'll see which list or which collection it's sitting in as part of Planner. And what's really nice is you can still add it to My Day. So regardless of whether it was originally created in Planner or whether you've added it directly to Do, you could add it to My Day so it sits there and you can see it. And you can also, just like with the tasks you add into Do, you can star it as well. So that's really nice. The Assign to Me function, being able to capture all of the tasks that you've got assigned within Planner, but view them and add them to your My Day function so you can focus just on those priority tasks that you've won. We go to flagged items. This will automatically pick up any emails that you've flagged. So this is really useful if you go through your emails of a morning and you think, well, I do need to do that, but I need to do a couple of other things before I do that, you can flag it and it will appear as a reminder in your flagged emails. And just as with the others, you can right click and add to my day. So all of a sudden we've got the ability to bring in flagged email tasks, assign tasks from Planner, all into my today or onto my to-do tasks, so that I can really focus on those and not be distracted and not forget things because they're either flagged emails in my inbox or they're tasks in my Planner. So that's the really useful thing, that it's all in one space. And it may be that you decide just to add all the tasks there and then assign them. Or if you wish, you can create new collections or new lists. So you could have a list for each different thing. So you can see just down here, we can create a new list. And let's go hello 1, 2. And then when you can then go directly to that list to add a task, or you can assign tasks, as I said already, by just moving the task to the specific list. You can also sort by importance, by due date, added to my day, alphabetically, or creation date if you wish. And you can change the theme of the task as well. So to make it easier for you to differentiate between the different tasks, we can click change theme and you can make them different colors. So you can see the text is a different color. On the desktop version, you'll find there's more customization options, but you can at least change the color between the different task lists. So if I click on this one, you can see it's blue and that one is purple. So there you have it. A really great way to organize yourself, pull together all of that functionality, as I mentioned, whether it's flagged emails or tasks that you've been assigned via Planner, and have it in the one space. Final thing to mention is, in addition to opening it on the app, you can also see my day by clicking on the to-do icon in your email, and it will appear there as well. So you can view it in your emails as well. So hope you found the video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.